Nicola Askham here, back for another in the Ask the Data Governance Coach video series. And today's question came from an email I got literally this morning. You may notice that I've been publicising my next Data Governance Mastermind online. I've been running them for nearly a year now, and somebody read all the information about it on my website and sent me an email to say, look, I've read everything, but can you tell me what are the top 3 reasons that I should attend your next Mastermind Day? And I thought, what a good challenge, and what is more, what a good idea for my next video. So here goes. Number 1, I think it's all about expanding your network. I think data governance is a really lonely job at times, and you may be lucky enough to be working as part of a team, but the vast majority of people are working on their own when they first do data governance. And it really can be a very lonely and vulnerable feeling doing data governance. So I think the first thing you're going to get out of it is going to get to meet other people who are in the same situation as you, who are going to be able to understand and sympathize with what you're going through and be able to share some ways that they've managed in the same situation. Number 2 is actions and accountability. You're going to get some clear actions to take away to overcome the challenges you're facing. But more than that, you're going to get accountability. I think it's fair to say we're all really good at researching things. We watch videos, we read blogs online, and we all think, yep, I'm going to do that. But we just add it to the to-do list. We don't necessarily do it because we haven't told anybody. We haven't committed to doing it. But by coming to a mastermind session, you'll get that accountability, because at the end of your turn in the hot seat, you're going to say what you're going to go away and do. And everybody that's been there on the mastermind day with you knows what you're going to do. And now that leads me nicely into number 3, which is collaboration. Because you get to meet other people working in the same space, you're also going to get the opportunity to collaborate outside of the mastermind. I'm aware of several instances where attendees have contacted each other after the mastermind session to cooperate further, and have done so very successfully. So I hope that has given you some idea of the top 3 things that you'll get if you attend my next mastermind day. I hope you found that useful. If you've got any more questions about the Mastermind Day, just get in contact. And if you've got any questions you want me to answer on a future video, just email them in to questions@nicolaaskham.com.